good morning. Welcome to Emlyn Davies Draper Shop. How can I help you? What would you like to buy? Oh, excuse my manners. My name is Miriam Owen, or as everyone calls me around here, Minnie, and I am the owner of Emlyn Davies Draper Shop here in Dowlais. Do you know, my father, Emlyn Davies, came from Newcastle Emlyn, not too far away from Blaenwaun, and he moved here for work and eventually opened this shop in 1898. Do you see, in my father's time, it was so busy because people used to come to Dowlais for working in the coal mines and also in the ironworks. And do you know what? Our best seller is the Welsh flannel shirts. They're really good for the workers down the mines and also in the ironworks. They come from the Cambrian mills in Drefach, Felindre. Have you seen this new leaflet, Make to Amend? Mary was saying that she's making a pair of trousers for Bleddyn Bach next door to her out of her old skirt. It's amazing what you can do with an old skirt or an old jumper. Oh gosh, this rationing. When it came in 1941, do you know, there's all sorts of coupons and numbers for all different types of things. Oh, excuse me, tittle-tattling on. What did you say you wanted again?